Hello everyone. Welcome to this tutorial on how to add product reviews in Shopify using Loox. First, log in to your Shopify admin panel. On the left-hand side, click on Apps. Then click on the Shopify App Store button to open the App Marketplace. In the search bar, type Loox Product Reviews and select the Loox app from the list. Click on Add App and follow the prompts to install it into your Shopify store. You might be asked to approve permissions, so click Install App when prompted. Once the installation is complete, the Loox dashboard will open. Here you can customize how reviews will appear on your store. Start by going to the Settings section. You can choose the layout, color, and text style to match your brand. Save your changes before continuing. Next, to enable reviews for your products, go to the Loox Widgets section. Choose the Product Page widget and click Activate. Loox will automatically place the review widget on all of your product pages. If you want to collect reviews from past customers, go to the Reviews tab in Loox. Here you can send manual email requests or import reviews. Click Send Manual Request and here send manual request to the customer for the review.